Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve these beachy waves using a DIY sea salt spray.
All you need is a cup of water, some coconut oil, some sea salt. You can also use pink Himalayan salt for this, and some aloe vera gel. I'm using the one that comes in the bottle. This is the one that you take internally, but you can also use the one straight from the leaf. Is that what it's called, the leaf? The plant, the thing. So all I do is shampoo my hair, and while it's soaking wet, I spritz in the sea salt spray. And you have to spray it in like really, really generously. So you drench your hair in the sea salt spray and you just go about your day and it dries naturally. And it has really, really great hold. This recipe works the best if you live in a very humid environment. And if you don't live in a humid environment, you can still use it. Like I have been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's so awesome. What it does is it just refines your natural texture. So for those of you that don't have super curly hair and have like that in-between wave, the sea salt spray is amazing. This is what you want to use. It basically just refines whatever texture that you have, so you're left with like beachy waves. So like I said, it's a really easy recipe, and let's get started.
I'm going to start by grabbing the sea salt. You can also use pink Himalayan salt for this. And I'm going to add 3 teaspoons into 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of coconut oil into the same mixture. And lastly, I'm going to grab my aloe vera gel, 100% pure aloe vera gel, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon into the mixture. And then I'm just going to pour it into a spray bottle, and it's ready to use. Gah.
Not my face. Okay, I'm not spraying anymore.
Daddy!
Oh, are you washing your watch?
So now that my hair is pretty drenched in the sea salt, I'm just going to scrunch it a little bit with my fingers, and we're going to let it dry naturally. So I recommend using the sea salt spray only about once or twice a week, as too much sea salt can dry out your hair, and this salt spray is ideal for those of you with oily hair and those of you that live in humid temps. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment below letting me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe.